Trick or treat!
Trick, treat!
You're not my pug hub order.
Shut up, big man. Give us candy or I'll commit arson on your house.
Yeah, the candy? It expired.
I'm gonna kill him.
Say, isn't it late for two rodents like you guys to be out? Where are your parents?
I'm a gamer. I stay up late.
My parents are dead. I follow my own rules.
Well then, you guys are certainly in for a treat. Well, by treat, I mean you guys in the next 3 seconds if you don't get off my lawn.
Bro, he ain't playing. We gotta go.
We're gonna die, we're gonna die, we're gonna die.
Man, rodents are dumb. This plan never fails.